This is a great spotted woodpecker. But this is not wood. This is a house. This is what he's actually supposed to do. So why is he behaving like this? This one's even crazier. Just look at all these holes. This looks almost like a tree. What is happening here? So there are basically 3 reasons why woodpecker peck or drum on things. Let me explain. Reason number 1, food. Food is the most boring one. It's gonna get wilder as we get into it, but yeah, they feed on all kinds of insects, and sometimes they're sitting on these warm walls, and also you would find like spiders or even little snails like this one here. Reason number 2, communication. It's early spring, so that means for woodpeckers it's time to mate and also to mark territory. And they use drumming to do exactly that. You can hear it really nice in this little forest when I recorded this group of woodpeckers communicating. Just listen closely, that's really, really cool. If it goes for woodpecker, louder is just better. They would drum on all sorts of things, like this little birdhouse, but also metal surfaces, sometimes metal poles. You see them on all kinds of things. And yeah, of course, walls and buildings and houses, like this one. Reason number 3, nesting. Yeah, let's look at this guy here. Like in the beginning, this is not just drumming, this is really a hole and a nest inside the wall. And this is the reason why we have this piece of wall here, so I can show you why these make perfect nesting spots. Let me show you. Yeah, in Germany we tend to be quite proud of our solid wall constructions, but they have a few disadvantages besides being crazy expensive. So there's always some sort of concrete or brick construction underneath. And then you have some insulation foam, like this blue foam here. And on top, obviously, some stucco to protect it. This makes perfect drumming conditions, but this part is also soft. So if I take this guy here and I just peel a bit, it's super soft, and once you pierce through here and get to the softer core, this makes excellent housing or nesting. This one's a Eurasian nuthatch that just took over one of these woodpecker nests. And he's cleaning out a bit. You can see these white flakes. This is just the insulation material, the rest is just old nesting material. And yeah, this great tit here, also pretty happy with what he found. Yeah, we got quite a nice little habitat here. Obviously not so nice if you live here, because you can't get rid of these birds, they're all protected, which is a good thing, but obviously, like, yeah, as a housing owner, that's a problem. That's it for today. If you watched this far, consider subscribing, I really appreciate it. And I leave you with some pictures of another great spotted woodpecker in his doing what he's actually supposed to do. Here you go. Have a good one. Bye bye.